Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to view favorites clothes on Roblox. First of all, you have to open roblox.com. Once it is open, guys, you just need to go to tap on profile, go to profile. Once you're on the profile, you have to scroll down, and here in the group you have to tap on this favorite button or favorite link. Now you can choose anything you want. Like if you want to see your favorite cloth, you have to choose from here. You can choose, here are the clothes. Yeah, here you can choose tops, shoes, uh, models, packages, everything. Like here, yeah, you can choose from here: classic t-shirts, shirts, pants, whatever you have select as a favorite will be shown here. So that's how you can find favorite clothes on. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.